Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to answer a question that was recently asked by a business owner trying to put together the perfect bio on Instagram.
How long can an Instagram display name be?
You have a total of 30 characters to play with when it comes to your Instagram display name. This isn't a lot of space. I recommend sitting down for a while to think about your display name and really make sure that you're picking something that will work for you. You can't just change it whenever you feel like it either. My display name, SMM Beginners, has a total of 12 characters. I still have another 18 to play around with. To be honest, I'm wasting an opportunity by not using those extra 18 characters, so perhaps I need to take some of my own advice and have a play around with my own username. Here are 3 tips to make your Instagram display name more effective. Number 1. Include a keyword. Your display name is actually searchable, which means that it'll come up when someone searches for a term that is contained within it. Let's imagine, for example, that you're a baker, and your display name is Barry the Baker. In case you're interested, Barry the Baker has 15 characters in it. There is still space for another 15 characters, but I'll get to a helpful tip about that in just a moment. If someone then searches for the term baker on Instagram, there's a chance that your display name, Barry the Baker, will appear in the results. In short, having a searchable term, such as baker, in your display name will give you a shot at getting more eyes on your profile. Number 2. Pick a name that makes sense. Your display name should be your business name, if you have a business to promote. If you have a blog, make your Instagram display name your blog name. If you can't get the name exact, get it as close as possible. Janine 74567 might be easy for you to remember, but it's not going to tell potential customers or new followers what you're offering. Janine the Florist is a much better display name idea, and it has 18 characters. Number 3. Look at what the big accounts are doing with their display names. There's nothing wrong with checking out what everyone else is doing and then jumping on the biggest trends. That's how social media works. That's what drives it. One person does something and then someone else likes it and does it too. What are the other accounts in your niche or industry doing with their display names? Do they all appear to be following a trend? Do they look similar in some way? Find the common denominators and then apply them to your own Instagram display name. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.